Hey, in this video, we are going to go through how we would solve this equation. I am assuming that you can solve these equations when the bases are the same. What I mean is, as we look at this, the first thing I do is I look at 81 and 9 and I go, hey, are those the same number? They are not. So what I need to do is I need to change both or one of these numbers so that they are the same. Now, this leads into your number sets. Can you understand how one number is made up of others? There are a couple ways to figure out what 81 can be rewritten as, in as far as a different base in the power. Right now, this is 81 raised to the x minus 3 power. I am going to change that, so instead of 81 to a power, I'm going to have a different number to a power. Now, I'm going to look at the other number and I'm going to try this first. So like we're going to check out and make sure or see if we can use 9 as our new base. I'm going to break down 81 into pairs of numbers that they multiply by. So 81 is 9 times 9. And actually I can stop here. I have now just seen that 81 is broken up into 9. So I'm going to use 9 as my new base. I have 2 9s. So when I go to rewrite this, instead of writing 81, I'm going to write 9 to the second power. Now, it's still to the original power. We haven't done anything about that. But now that my bases are the same, I can start trying to solve this. Now, previously, when we were looking at the last problem, we had two things being multiplied together, and our rule was to add the exponent. This time, when I go to write my equation, what I have is I have a power being taken to another power. And our rule here is I need to multiply those two things. So I'm going to take 2 times x minus 3, and that's going to be equal to 12. And from here, I'm going to solve this equation. I would distribute the 2. I would use my inverse operations to isolate the variable. And then I solve. Now, not much has changed from the previous example. Really, where things got different is how did we rewrite our base as a new base and exponent. And once we did that, then our new rule that was multiplying the exponents instead of adding them. Other than that, here's how you solve problems like this. And be sure to let me know if you have questions.